Hello everyone, we are back with our another video. In this video, we are going to cover the basic charts in Power BI. So some basic charts are bar chart, area chart, pie chart, matrix and cards. Now let's come and see how to use different charts to analyze our data. So this is an example of some basic charts in Power BI. This is bar chart. It is used to present data in a visual form so that the reader may easily recognize patterns or trends. So basically, bar chart is rectangular bars with X and Y axis in which we compare different categories. So we will select bar chart from the visualization column, then we will drag customer type and gender in X-axis and sum of total of purchase in Y-axis. Now we can see in member customer type how much purchasing is done by female and male category. In the same way, in normal category, we can see how much purchasing is done by male category as well as female category. Now come to area chart. Area chart or area graph displays graphically quantitative data. It is based on the line chart. The area chart between axis and line are commonly emphasized with colors and texture. Commonly compares two or more quantities. Now select area chart from here. And we will put product line in x-axis. In the same way, we will put sum of rating in y-axis. We use area chart for those data that is changing continuously over a period of time. For example, gold rate. Gold rate goes high and sometimes it goes low. So in the same way, we are calculating the product line, whether the fashion accessories is increasing or decreasing by this sum of rating. So in same way, we are calculating sum of rating by product line. Next is pie chart. A pie chart is a special chart that uses pie slices to show relative sizes of data to check share amongst the categories. For example, we will select pie chart from visualization. Now we will select gender in legend. And on which criteria we have to compare, that is product line, which we select in value. Now we can see that total count of product line by female is 50.1% and male is 49.9%. Now what is matrix chart? Matrix chart are new management planning tool used for analyzing and displaying the relationship between data sets. This relationship can be between 2, 3 or 4 group of information. Now we will select the matrix from this visualization column, and in row we will put product line, and in column we will put quantity. And values, suppose we want to calculate the sum of tax 5% for all those product lines. Here we can see that we have got the sum of tax 5% for all these product lines. Now come to cards. It is basically used to calculate total count of something. So in the previous video I told you how to calculate the total distinct count and count of anything. So here we have calculated the total number of city. So we don't want to calculate those city that is repeating many times. So we just want to calculate one city one time, and for that we will select this distinct count from this option. And to calculate the total number of branch, we want to calculate all those branches, whether it is getting repeated many times, we want to include all those branches. So for that we will select this count option to calculate total count of branch. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video and do like, share and subscribe the channel.